Want to sound fluent, not like a robot? Use these 7 connectors or conjunctions to join your thoughts and speak naturally.
Cherish English.
Welcome to Cherish English, the place where you will boost your grammar, sharpen your speaking skills, and speak real English with confidence every day. Connectors are small words, but they make a huge difference in fluency. Let's go. And simple and powerful. I went to the store and bought some fruit. She got up and brushed her teeth. But shows contrast. I wanted to go out, but it was raining. She bought a new dress, but it was too small. Because gives a reason. I stayed at home because I was tired. I like summer because I enjoy hot weather. So shows a result. I was late, so I missed the bus. I was tired, so I stayed at home. Then shows time order. I woke up, then I had breakfast. She went to school, then she studied. However, more formal than but. She studied hard. However, she failed the test. The weather was lovely. However, there were so many mosquitoes. For example, helps explain with details. I love fruit. For example, bananas and mangoes. You can wear something more casual, for example, a t-shirt and shorts. Quick practice. Can you make a short story using and, but, or because? Something like this. I wanted to travel, but I had no time. Practice challenge. Write 2 sentences using connectors from today. Bonus. Use however or for example. This is Cherish English. See you on day 10 where we will talk about polite phrases everyone should know.